In this video, I will show you how to fix the no signal or HDMI not detected. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. First of all, we want to ensure that our controller is connected. We see the light, we know that's connected. Now, normally for this error, the PlayStation would not, the console would not display like you see it here. It's just going to show a no signal detected error. So I'm going to shut down and I want you to find a way to power down your machine. So we're going to boot in safe mode. Once the console is off, we want to check the HDMI connection and ensure that we have a cable, a good cable. If it's faulty, please change the HDMI cable and ensure you have a new one. If you switch on your console and you're still getting the same error, at this point, you're going to need to switch it off again and boot in safe mode. So let's boot in safe mode, hold it, put it on and hold it till we hear 2 beep sounds, and then we release. And once we're in safe mode, we need to connect the controller to the console using the cable. And then we're going to press the PS button so we can be able to navigate in safe mode. We're going to use the keypad to navigate in safe mode also. So we press the PS button and we're able to navigate in safe mode. Now we're going to go to change video output. We're going to go to number 2. Once we click on the change video output, we're going to have 2 options. We're going to change resolution or we can change HDCP mode. Now we can change resolution. Once we click on option 1, we change resolution. It's going to restart. If that doesn't work, come to option 2 and change it. If this doesn't work, then you might have a hardware issue. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to subscribe.